Welcome everyone to my new tutorial video presentation for MEXC exchange on the spot trading. I'm going to share with you step by step on how to do spot trading on the exchange with all the information you need. So make sure to have a functional account. You can use the link in the description area or comments area to benefit of a bonus up to $1,000, and you can sign up from there. At the same time, you must have resources in your account to perform spot trading, which is something you can deposit on cryptocurrency. I have a video about that one as well. So top left corner, once you're on the official page and you have logged in, there is the spot. This is how you buy cryptocurrency through spot trading and how you can exchange between cryptocurrencies through spot trading. It is not actually the way you buy cryptocurrency from fiat to crypto, but it is between crypto to crypto the way people exchange. So we go to the spot, and we are going to have an introduction basically in the dashboard area that is going to appear along the way with many other details. So I'm going to utilize here a tool that allows me to draw on my screen and share with you exactly. The first thing we care about is making sure we are on the pair, on the asset page that we care about. This is the BTC against USDT. So we want to make sure we're actually looking at the things we care about. We're actually looking at the market as we are aiming to trade, which is something we can search from right there. What kind of pairs do we would like to trade? As well, we need to keep in mind we are in the category of USDT right there, but we can go USDC, Ethereum, BTC, BUSD, and the other one as well. So there's a few alternatives out there that you can have in order to search and get your pair that you would like to trade. At the same time, this is the live price, which is being shared right there, as long as the price can be discovered right there, which is currently appearing. You have the 24 hours high, 24 hours low, 24 hours volume, and the order book here, people willing to sell, the live price, and then people willing to buy, basically. The order book is consisting of limit orders that are set by people. So when you set a limit order, it goes in the order book, and it's waiting to be completed by, price action. When you do a market order, it's not going in the order book. It is taking the best price from the order book. So these are two differences between limit order and market orders. You want to make sure that you have the spot right there clicked on. You are not on the futures, basically. And if you would like to deposit, you can use this little plus button. And it allows you basically, because this is where you see what's available right now to utilize in your trade. What else do I have to share with you? The fees, you always verify the fees from right there, which are very important, maker and taker. The one that is maker is the one that goes in the order book, whether it goes on the upper side or lower side, because it does a limit order. And then the taker takes from the order book. So this is the differences, guys. Right now, there's no differences between the fees. It's 0% to trade on the platform. Now, obviously, across the time, at some point, platform can decide to change the fees, which is why you need to check that out by yourself. Recent market trades right there, and then the open orders, order history, trade history, and open positions, right? So those are the 4 tabs. You will be able to see more details on that as soon as we get into. Other than that, this is pretty much all that we actually care about. So how do we proceed and do the spot trading that we want? Now, like I said, 2 options available from the first touch: limit order or market order. When you do a limit order, you set the price and you're waiting for the market to touch your price. When you do a market order, you don't set the price. The price is going to be received as the best price in the market that is existent, and it will fulfill your volume with that. So this is the 2 big differences. This is how you can open a spot trade on the market. Now, there's something else that I wanted to share with you as well, the possibility to add a pair of asset, right, any of that, to your favorites by clicking on their star. There's a star right there. There is a star for each of these guys, and it goes automatically into the favorites sector, right? This is very important because you don't always have to search it manually, BTC against USDT or any other cryptocurrency. You can put them into your favorites. However, let me share with you forward what's happening. Now, the big deal here is that we need to know from the beginning what price do we would like to offer on a limit order. For example, now it's 36 grand 479, and I'm looking to buy this at 36 grand $100, for example. Now, I can set the amount based on BTC, or I can set the amount based on USDT. Let's say I'm going to buy this with 50 USDT. At that price of 36,100, and then I hit buy BTC and just confirm it. Very simple and straightforward. The type is a limit order, side we're buying, price 36,100. That's the quantity of Bitcoins. This is the order amount in USDT, and 0% has been filled up. Simple. There is a little pen here which allows you to edit your position, like with the price and amount, and then you can confirm. And there is the little bin, which allows you to cancel your position and delete it, which will make it, untriggerable. It will not get triggered. Beautiful. Now, same thing when you sell. Basically, you need to have that crypto. But let me just quickly buy, and I'm going to use the market order to buy. As it says, priced, most optimal price existent. So the best price existent, which is going to be the first one in the order book. If it has enough volume to fill you up, you're going to get the first one in the order book. If it doesn't have the enough volume, you're going to get the second one, third one, and so on, continue till you get the size you're actually dealing with. For example, right now, there is you can see right here, $81,000 for that price. You can buy, the order book is changing quite fast as how the market is advancing. Like 79 grand you can buy at that price. 222,000 you can buy at that price. So there is volume, guys. Nothing to be scared about that. The price might go up $50 if you buy something at 50 grand. No. If you look at these things up, things are adding up to $1 million quite quickly. If just changing a couple of cents here or there, you can already buy $1 million worth of BTC. The exchange has volume. It is a great one. Now, simply said, let me just go ahead and buy, which means that I'm going to utilize, $50, right? We're going to buy 50 worth, market, buy BTC. Great. So we have purchased, it became available, our BTC sits right there, and I can also see basically under my open positions. I'm supposed to see this very, very soon here updating. Just give me a second. There you go. It has updated. Now we have $47 on USDT. That quantity of Bitcoins, it kind of tells us the price we have used to buy this. It kind of tells us the estimated cost, and it also tells us what is the estimated value right now. So it kind of gives you more information as well. With a trade history, allows you to see that you bought it at 36,508 right there on $49. That's it basically on it. So simple said, what do we have to do in order to sell this BTC? You have the available. You can do either limit price, which is something like if it goes to 36,800, I'd like to sell this, and I'm gonna get $50.37. So I made basically 37 cents if the price action goes to that specific range. And I just have to hit sell BTC, confirm, and it will sit in the open orders because this has not been completed, it has not been filled up, and it's waiting for the market to touch the price I selected. Let's put it that way. I'm going to cancel this and have a market order and sell my entire quantity because I'm taking this to the right, and the scale will say 100% sell BTC. Order successful. Beautiful. Now I'm getting back to my open positions, and in a few seconds it's going to be taken out from here, and my dollars will get back into the USDT, as you can see right now. Plus on the trade history you will be able to see my sell as well. So we just got it right there and we sold it over there in this example. No open orders because we have been deleting the limit orders existent. This is about the limit order, market order. We have a video about that one as well. And this is the spot trading, guys. We can trade many other things. For example, if you click on the search, you're going to see the top searches. Let's see that, Solana. If I'm going to click on that, we will be put on the page of Solana. You always want to make sure you're on the right page when it comes down to trading on the spot. A lot of the people do that mistake of being on the wrong pages or trying to trade things that are, different, I would say. Now, it seems like we are basically on the futures right now. You can see on the top right corner. So that's not the page we want to be. This is already futures trading. It did open it a wrong page for us at the time we have searched. it says Solana USDT perpetual. Perpetual stays for futures contracts, for futures trading. It is not spot trading, right? So if I want to do Solana, I'm going to say Solana USDT, and this is the normal spot trading. When it comes down to Solana USDT perpetual, this is the futures trading. Anything under the name of perpetual will be under the futures trading. So if you click on that, you are going to be on the wrong page. You're going to be on the page of futures. About futures trading, I'm going to have a dedicated video with leverage, with all the explanation needed, a complete tutorial step-by-step on my YouTube channel. You can check that out at the time you're watching this one. There's going to be a video about the futures as well. So this is a huge thing, and I'm glad it came out like that. I was not really planning it to open up a perpetual futures asset, but it seems like it did open like that, and I'm pretty much glad due to the fact that I can make the differences this way and share with you how you must spot basically your right choice. I thought basically that they would not put together spot and futures under the same search when we are on the spot trading page, which is something other exchanges are not performing. And it's something that I was not seeing in the past, but they have changed this. And right now, when you want to search, they're most likely showing from other category of trading, which is the futures as well, right? So it's quite interesting how these guys have been moving around. Probably it's benefiting the exchange in this case scenario. Beautiful. That's it, guys. And that's pretty much all on the topic. It is very important to know your fees and the steps that you're doing. Every single action must be verified before you do it. You never hurry up, and you do your calculations and your math before proceeding. Beautiful. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Hit the like button. At the same time, if you think education is important, and especially if you want to be a trader, then we have here a one-on-one coaching program directly with me, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. This is something that I perform out of passion. You can schedule yourself a free conversation with me on Calendly and find out more about how does it work. If you think this is something valuable, just reach out to me and have a good time on the topic. Subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to you soon.